Assistant Principal for Academics, Ms. Joanna Marie D.J. Anselmo. Let us welcome the completers of Kinder Daisy under the supervision of Ms. Rochelle L. Buenaventura.
It is my great pride and honor to present to you the completers from Kinder Daisy. To begin with, Paul Gabriel F. Anastasio. Curious Explorer, Gold Medalist. Rish Kaliel B. Bartolome.
LTGA, we are never letting your top eye.
Science Quiz B. 7th placer and Nature Lover, Gold Medalist. Jesus Kyriel III E. Bernardo.
At NSGGA, we are promoting fairness and equality.
Emerging Reader, Gold Medalist. Gian Thomas King A. M. Neal.
At NSGGA, we are acting with honesty even no one is watching.
Paligsahan sa pagtula, ikatlong karangalan, United Nations Little Ambassador 2025 and Best Speaker, Best in Penmanship, Gold Medalist, and Listening and Speaking Star, Gold Medalist. Hamza Jan Erdogdu.
And NSGA, we are putting others before ourselves.
Numbers and Shape Stars, Gold Medalist. Liam Jason J. Gonzaga.
At NSDGA, we're creating space where everyone feels safe.
Masigasig na mambabasa, Gold Medalist. Edrich Daniel E. Lising.
At NSDGA, we are choosing to being right over what is easy.
Math Participation, Gold Medalist. Maverick Davis A. Sebastian.
At NSDGA, we are never walking from hardship.
Love for Reading, Gold Medalist. Zian Lauren T. Silvestre.
At NSDGA, we are promoting gender and equality.
Problem Solving Beginner, Gold Medalist. Arnab A. Singh.
NSDGA, we are living and honesty and honor.
Numbers and Shape Stars, gold medalist. Ziana M. Avelia.
At NSDGA, we are taking actions to make a difference.
Science Quiz B 8th placer at aktibong kalahok sa Filipino, gold medalist. Samara Ermaine Apolonio.
At NSDGA, we are treating everyone with kindness and fairness.
Mahusay sa bokabularyong Filipino, gold medalist. Chanel Kate V. de Guzman.
At NSDGA, we are offering our hands to those in need.
Buwan ng Wika, pintahin ang kasaysayan, ikalawang karangalan, United Nations 2025 Best Smile, Math Quiz B 10th placer, Best in Penmanship, gold medalist, Perfect Attendance, gold medalist, and Young Math Explorer, gold medalist. Rachel Wayne B. Enriquez.
At NSDGA, we are acting with sincerity and fairness.
Math Week Activity Champion, Best in Penmanship, gold medalist, at Batang Mapagmahal sa Wikang Filipino, gold medalist. Tanya Erela P. Enriquez.
And NSDGA are leading by example to saving.
Young Scientist, gold medalist. Nestasia Edrin E. Escresa.
At NSDGA, we are encouraging inclusivity in our space.
Perfect Attendance, gold medalist, and Active Science Learner, gold medalist. Natalia Edrin E. Escresa.
At NSDGA, we are building a future where everyone belongs.
Perfect Attendance, gold medalist, and Science Discovery, gold medalist. Ingrid Zarina G. Esteban.
NSDGA, we are from Princeton University.
Counting Champion, gold medalist. Amara Lovell S. Grefal.
At NSDGA, we are serving with passion and dedication.
Storytime participant, gold medalist. Georgina Patrice V. Masangkay.
NSDGA, we are being a helping hand to those in need.
Buwan ng Wika, pintahin ang kasaysayan, unang karangalan, Best in Penmanship, gold medalist, at mahusay sa pagpapahayag, gold medalist. Mariela Loris C. Matias.
At NSDGA, we are respecting different voices and perspectives.
Buwan ng Wika, Pintahin ang Kasaysayan, ikatlong karangalan, Paligsahan sa Pagtula, ika-6 na karangalan, Spelling Quiz Bee 9th placer, Best in Penmanship, gold medalist, and Reading Explorer, gold medalist.
Once again, completers from Kinder Day C. Thank you so much, Kinder Daisy, for such a wonderful